Now we
Okay.
go into the lightning round. So
Okay.
just remember, it's agree,
Okay.
disagree, and if you don't feel comfortable, just say pass.
Okay.
Okay.
Agree, disagree, or pass.
Okay. Number one, would you take a 10% budget cut if it meant total creative freedom?
Agree.
Excellent. Number two, is partner marketing the most misunderstood role, second only to influencer entrepreneur?
Agree.
Okay. Number three, hitting pipeline goals is more important than winning a marketing award.
Agree. Agree.
Everybody says agree, but they probably think like,
Like an award's nice, but yeah,
I would be nice to have an award, right?
no, it's all about
Number
having a real KPI. Yep.
number four, have you ever recycled a campaign and called it net new?
Yeah, agree.
Bravo. And number five, have you ever panic Googled acronyms mid-call?
Agree. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Let's be honest. The thing with acronyms, right, is depending on the context, the acronym could mean different things in different contexts you're in. You need to know. Let's be real. Don't just nod along if you don't know.
And then my last question,
Mm.
also very, very important. What's your go-to corporate word for I don't know?
That's a good one.
It's like, let me ponder that question because I don't understand it. And I don't have a good answer for you.
We can't be expected to know everything. We're humans, right? So,
Yeah.
yeah. But I think pass worked great.